What's up guys, Ruski Tech here, and welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be checking out the Karbon Bumper Case for the OnePlus 7 Pro. So I like the carbon fiber finish of this case. That's the main reason why I bought it. And it looks really nice, and it looks really thin too. I don't like bulky cases. So yeah, let's crack this bad boy open. So, very minimal unboxing. I like the never settle behind that case. So, we have the case right here. I like the finish of it. It's pretty soft. I'm surprised about that. I'm surprised that it actually has a little bit of grip to it when I do that. So let's check it out. Ooh, that's nice. That's very nice. So I noticed here that it has the carbon fiber finish on it, but then it kind of like mellows out and becomes a rubber side. And I'm surprised it's actually hard. It's like soft but hard at the same time. It doesn't bend very much. Even the sides, the rubber sides do not bend as much as I thought they would. Which is really nice. My only worry is that since it's so thin, it wouldn't actually protect either the camera or the lips wouldn't protect the actual screen. So I gotta really pay attention to that. But you have your volume buttons right here, which is nice. And then you have it looks like your alert slider, your power button, camera, front camera right there. You have your little slot, microphone, earpiece. It looks like you have your charger and dual SIM slot. Perfect. All right, so let's put this baby on. So I have the OnePlus 7 Pro, Nebula Blue with 12 gig RAM and 256 storage space. Really nice phone. I've been really enjoying it so far. I'm switching over from my iPhone 7 Plus to the OnePlus 7 Pro. So let's put this guy on. I can definitely feel that it's gonna be a tight hug on it, which is nice, which is what you want on it. Nice. All right, looks like I have it snug. I have it in there, all set. Oh my gosh, I really like it, actually. Like first impressions on it, I really enjoy it. Oh wow, that feels, you might say I'm crazy, but after putting this case on, the phone feels lighter. That's just me. Like this feels thinner, it feels lighter. I don't know why. It's crazy. But you have all your slots open, everything's set up, everything's easy, accessible. You have your sounds, camera up there. Perfect. So now my only worry that I mentioned earlier is checking to see if you have your areas actually covered and protected, which is literally the main reason you have a case on your phone. So the first thing we're gonna check out is to see if the screen here, it looks like, I don't know, it's weird. I don't like it. I don't like the protection of it. I like the case, but I don't like that if you drop it, 100% it's gonna be hitting the screen. Like anything on the floor, the smallest speck of dust, the smallest pebble, whatever, it's gonna hit that screen. And the bumpers, I guess, are not really going to be protecting that as much as I would hope so. Other than that, it's really nice. Let's check the camera in the back, because this is kind of a thick camera. It's a big camera compared to other phones, and we're checking that out right there. And it doesn't seem to protect it as much as I would hope. Same with the back here. I guess let's do this. I am touching the camera when doing that, which is not good. So like if this falls on the back, or if I even slide it on the table with stuff on it, with dust or anything on it, I'm for sure going to be hitting that camera, which is not, it is what it is. I like the case. I feel like this is more of a comfortable case instead of a protective case. I will definitely be ordering other cases for this phone, but for now I'm actually enjoying this. I like the feel of it. It's soft, the inside is all good. It's very snug, and like I said, for some reason, you call me crazy, I don't care, literally this feels lighter and thinner with the case on in general. I'm enjoying this. My biggest worry, I mentioned it in the unboxing and the first impressions video, is that I hate cases that really take it away from the actual look of the phone or the back color. I really enjoy that Nebula Blue. You can see a little bit, and you can actually see a little bit in the bottom. I like that blue and gray, but that's the problem with cases nowadays. I have this clear case, And this really shows the color of the back, and it really shows it, but it's rubber, it's whatever. It's a case that you have, and it's awesome that OnePlus gives you the case just to have for the meantime until you buy a new case, and that's the whole point of this case. It's not super protective, but it's really nice, and I really enjoy the clear back just because it shows the color of the phone and it shows your phone. But I'm probably gonna be rocking this carbon case for now until I might get a new case. I've been enjoying this a lot. I really like it. Let's check the camera. See how it looks. Nice. Perfect slot. It's not hitting anything. It's not getting stuck. It's all set. Really enjoy that. Alright guys, that is the review of the carbon bumper case for the OnePlus 7 Pro. If you guys enjoyed this video, I hope you guys drop a like, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.